everyone. I'm from your telephone company, and the message that we have for you is that we are changing your telephone service over to dial. There's been a lot of planning, preparation, and work in order to bring dial to town. You may have noticed that lots of work has been going on. New cable pulled into place and other types of construction. If the dial isn't already on your telephone, it soon will be. Many months ago, our engineers started to draw up the plans because equipment must be tailor-made to fit the needs of each community, not only for today's requirements, but for years to come. To design, build, and install this equipment takes time and money. This is an investment in the future of your community. It won't be long now until dial telephones are ready to serve you. So that there will be no interruption in your telephone service during the changeover, everything is made ready. When the signal is given, the fuses are pulled out of the lines that were part of your manual equipment. At the same instant, we close the connections in the dial equipment and dial service is born. Instead of hearing the operator's familiar "number please," you'll hear the dial tone. That means that the equipment is ready to handle your calls. Dial service, however, doesn't do away with the need for operators. You'll always find operators ready to help whenever you need them. For an emergency, information, for out-of-town calls, or for any call in which you experience difficulty. You will find that dial telephones are very easy to use. And I'd like to give you some pointers so that you can make the best use of your dial telephone. Now, let's examine the dial itself for just a moment.
For convenience in dialing, the letters go around the dial in alphabetical order. And the numbers are in numerical order, from 1 to 9 and 0. And in the center of the dial appears the number of the telephone you are using.
With dial service, telephone numbers consist of a central office name and 5 numbers, like this:
Main 2 9970.
We use central office names and the additional numbers so that as many telephone numbers as possible will be available for each community. Also, this numbering system makes it possible to fit you and your neighbors' telephones into a uniform nationwide plan. This enables operators and telephone users to dial long-distance calls to distant cities. There are a few easy rules to be followed when dialing because careless dialing mistakes will waste a lot of your time and cause someone else to be inconvenienced and probably irritated. When you want to make a call, always be sure you have the right number. Consult your directory for any number you're not sure of. Write the number down, like this. Before dialing, listen for dial tone. If you dial before you hear dial tone, you may get a wrong number or no number at all. Refer to the complete number while dialing. Then, dial the first 2 letters of the central office name.
W-O. And the 5 numerals which make up the complete number. 4 9 9 7 0. Making sure your finger firmly touches the finger stop with each pull of the dial.
This will save you time and inconvenience. And when you have completed dialing, listen for the ringing signal. Wait for the party to answer for about 1 minute or 10 rings. If you wish at any time to review dial procedure, you will find instructions in the front of your directory. If you will remember these easy rules, you will dial correctly and be pleased with the use and convenience of your dial telephone.